Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Kate with Epic Custom Cars, and today I'm going to be doing a rear diffuser install on our 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat. So the rear diffuser I'm putting on today is from Extreme Online Store. They have two options, an unpainted finish or a gloss black, and I went with the gloss black. This will fit any Dodge Charger between the years of 2015 and up, and it's just a super straightforward install, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you have a Dodge Charger, I don't know if you've looked at this rear end recently, but it's pretty soft. So I strongly feel like Hellcat rear ends just need to be a little bit more aggressive. So I'm really excited. I really think that this rear diffuser will make it a little bit more spicy back here. So this install right here is pretty easy. You just need some pry tools and a 7mm ratchet wrench. And we just have some clips right up, where are we? Right up under here. So we're gonna pop these out, and then you'll use your ratchet wrench to remove these. Let's do it. Alright, so this clip is already being an asshole, but that's okay because I'm a bigger one. Oh my gosh. Could you please cooperate? Okay, we're getting somewhere. Woo! Okay, that's one. So there's only 4 bolts holding this in, which is kind of shocking. I would expect there to be more. And then now that I have them all removed, I guess there's just like clip-ons securing this, and we're just gonna pop it off. All right, now that the clips are out, we're going to gently pull off the stock diffuser. All right, this is always the scariest part. Are you sure? Very gently. That wasn't too bad. Now that I have both sides loose, I should just be able to pop out the remaining center clips, and it's probably gonna be really dirty. Gosh, I'm scared. So scared. Okay, not that bad. Probably isn't really necessary, but I'm just gonna go through and just wipe it down a little bit just so it's not as dirty in there. And just using Gorilla Car Care waterless car wash is the best smelling one. It even beats the chemical guys. Just saying. Okay, all right, cool, good enough. So this rear diffuser that I got from Extreme Online Store, the holes will match up perfectly, so you don't have to do any drilling. I have seen certain diffusers from different stores or Amazon where you do have to do some drilling into the new aftermarket diffuser, so that's just something to keep in mind, but this one will fit perfectly. All right, so just to show you, it has these little clips that run along that will fit right into those holes there. Make sure I'm not upside down here. All right, all right, all right. Oh my goodness, all right. Lining up these clips is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Alright, so got it popped back into place. Now I can just put the clips and the screws back in, and we're done. All right, we got the bolts and the clips put back in, and that's the finished result. I'm a little concerned just because it looks like it's kind of close to the exhaust here. So it's not like spot on. I might have just gotten like a wonky one. But let's start it up, back it out, and I'll show you a better view of it. Dark out it is. It's been raining all day, but added just a little bit more aggression on the rear end here. You can see it a little bit better on this side here. Alright guys, so that is the end of this installation video. Super simple and straightforward, but if you have any questions on the installation process, please just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Now that I'm kind of looking at it, it's kind of ugly. It's a little ricey, honestly.